Tagat ang isa? Tuturay. Tobos.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari Adventure Park of Business. Show. Introducing our host for today, Mr. Andrew.
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Did you see our wonderful pigeons? Did you know that pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, just relax and enjoy as our flying with our friends are going to show us amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amused with our flying with your friends? Alright, now to start with, let me call my partner on stage, Mr. Ayan, to welcome our blue and gold couple named Amigo. Now, Amigo originated from South America, and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a very responsible bird, and he loves to see his environment clean. So first, you pick up the plastic cup. Open the beam and drop it inside. Nice. And for the second one, you pick up the Coca-Cola can. Walk all the way and drop it inside. And for the last one, you pick up the paper, walk all the way and drop it inside. Now see if the birds can do like that way, right? So always put your trash in the trash bins because as we all know, cleanliness is next to godliness. Now everyone, we go together with this life for your friends, has something to tell us. So welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, now here comes our flying macaws. So here's our two blue and gold macaw named Carl and Carl. Wait, there's more. Can you say please? So we are the total of 6 blue and gold macaw named Carl and Tony Carl and Carl, and one green named Rico. So macaws are very adaptive, whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. So if they surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. And their diet will include varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they also have a purple beak that can crack hearts of nuts. And we have a total of 350 species of parrots around the world. And they are the largest, and macaws are the largest. And I guess it's time for them to go back home to get more food. Now round of applause for flying macaws. So now our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and a handsome bird, but I need your help to call our next bird. So what do you say, Jumbo? One more, can you say Jumbo? Okay. And here's our another green-winged macaw named Jumbo. Can you wave to them, buddy? Bird? One more, can you wave to them? Nice. So macaws have a very long tail and feathers, and it can grow up to 3 feet from head to tail, and the tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful tail. Ready? One more. Good. So we can see most of their colors outside of their body and less color beneath their wings. Now I'm going to show his wings. Good wings, buddy. So macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. And those use their beak, move up hills and climb. So Mr. Ryan is a grown-up, and he will place it inside the plastic basket, and that's the reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo will get this reward. Take carefully lift up the plastic basket and get this reward. So we are using the reward system to reward the intelligence of our birds. And as I said earlier, that Jumbo is a very special, intelligent bird. Wanna know why? Why? It's because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo, and first we will be having a spelling test. So we have prepared with about pictures, the camel, the horse, the zebra, the tiger, and the snake. And I want you to choose one animal picture. So what will you choose? What will you choose? Tiger? Alright, it's not tiger. Mr. James. So while Mr. Chris are preparing the Jumbo letters, let's make a short interview with Mr. Ryan. So Mr. Ryan, how are you today? Fine. You're fine. Mr. Ryan, what is Jumbo's last name? Jumbo Anton. Lagi Jumbo letters already? What the picture really? What is the spelling of the tiger? So the first letter, pick up the letter D. pick up the letter I. Good. And the third one, buddy. Beautiful. And you pick up the letter G. Next one, buddy. Number 1. And you pick up the letter E.
Wow!
The last one, buddy. No mistake. And you pick up the letter R. So that is the spelling of the tiger. And I guess it's too easy for Jumbo. Now let's try to make a thunderbolt. Let's do the mathematical test. So for the second test is an addition. And I want you to choose 2 numbers between 1 to 10. So decide. Are you sure lang? 1 to 10. Are you sure? 5. 5 plus 35. 5 plus 9. Alright, this is 5 plus 9. So Jumbo, what is the answer of 5 plus 9? Is it straight correct? Alright. So Mr. Ayan, what is Jumbo's favorite food?
Fried cheese, roast, and vegetables.
So Jumbo loves to eat vegetable seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And for the last question, what is Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and math.
So Jumbo's favorite subject is English and math. Now let's see how Jumbo are good at math. So look at the numbers, buddy. What is the answer of 5 plus 9? The first number, we pick up the number 1. And the last one, already, be careful. And pick up the number 4. So the answer of 5 plus 9 was the 14. Is it correct? Alright, now round of applause for our Greenway Macaulay, Jumbo. So at this time, we need 2 volunteers, a kid and an adult volunteer. So we have our staff who will choose and give you the instructions. Our staff will choose. So I need an adult volunteer na lang. Adult volunteer. Small bird, but he is also a good feeder, so after he finishes food, he will go back inside and call his friends. Take your time, buddy. Alright, thank you, Kuya. Now take your seat. Are you ready, ma'am? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of Centennial Bunny's friends. So Centennials have a golden flowers with their head down to its underparts, and they also have a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Alright, thank you, Mama. Now take your seat. As well as our volunteer, I need an adult volunteer again. An adult volunteer. Alright, so are you ready sa bridge, no? So just relax and don't do extra movements. Are you ready, ma'am? Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our couple bird named Pig and Dog. Alright? So Centennials are monogamous type of bird. That means they only have one partner for a lifetime somehow. So if their partner dies, that's the time they will find another mating partner. You wanna have a nice photograph, ma'am? So thank you, ma'am. You wanna take your seat. And for the last volunteer, I need an adult volunteer again with a money. Alright, so Miss Kasha has a 100 pesos. And can you fold it 1 times in the same direction? Hold it like this, and just stretch your arm. So are you ready? So just relax and don't do extra movements. Alright? So we have a bird and his name is Sunny. Ano nga, Sunny? So stretch your arm. Now when Sunny pick the money, just relax, alright? So Sunny will pick up your money. Alright? So Sunny flies to Miss Nasha. Pick the money and fly. So buy Sunny, buy 100 pesos. Thank you, ma'am. You wanna say something? We have 100 again. Another 100. Let's do it again. 500. 1,000. I'm just kidding. So we're not gonna take the money from you. We just want to show you how this bird are very intelligent. So you can take your money and they can return it back to you. So what to do? Switch your arm with palm. Minsan na-reverse naman it is grab the money at the word. Alright? Masalit, you need to return your money. Masalit, like ito Miss Kasha, return the money, and as this you do. And fly. So around the clock, there is something your name, Sunny. Thank you, ma'am. You can update your receipt. So from South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil, because we have here our most handsome tugu-tuganing, Mr. Horn. So tugu-tugan is the largest tugan of all species, and they have a black band in the wardrobe that helps them to camouflage in the rainforest. And their beak looks heavy, but it's really because it's made of keratin, just like our hairs and nails. And also they are good at catching their food. So Mr. Ryan is over here, and he will toss it to Mr. Horn. Alright, good? So everyone ready? Nice. So in the wild, when the sun is up, they love to do sunbathing. And when they fly, they just hustle between small branches to reach a certain destination because they have a short waist. Now, round of applause for our tugu-tuga name, Mr. Horn. And since we're already in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friend because we have here a real crown Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Together with our mentor, Miss Rachel and Mr. James.
Thank you, Mr. Andrew. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. This is my yellow crown Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow crown Amazon parrot is the most complicated Amazon dog with talking ability and paperless.
That's right. And mimic is the happy sound of what we heard every day.
Okay. Say hi. Say hello. Good. Okay, Mr. James, what else they can mimic?
We can mimic the delivery sounds of animals like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. Also, we can mimic a telephone ringing.
Okay, start chorus part first. Cutthroat! Cutthroat! Attack! Okay, how about you, Lani? Colorful!
Now, Rudy, what will you do when you see a pretty girl?
What will you do?
Say what?
Say what? Okay, Mr. James, I think Rudy and Lani will love to sing.
Yes, we have to sing, but before to sing, we need to have a warm-up first.
Okay, let's do the warm-up. La 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 la! La 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 la! Now for the first song. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than I. Now for the second song, let me ask for who's celebrating the birthday today? Or this month? Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy birthday, sir. Okay, listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Is it birthday? Okay, ready to go. Magkita pa na masok para kay Lani and Rudy.
Okay, Miss Rachel and Mr. James. So that is our little run Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. And since you already witnessed the extraordinary skills of our great and fluffy bird, now it's time to meet some ferocious raptors, our birds of prey. So our birds of prey are going to show me some extraordinary skills and flying stats. And here's our first bird of prey, our Brahmini kite named Layu.
Whoa!
So Brahmini kite are locally known as Marlon in Visayan and Lawin in Tagalog. And their diet includes small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And let's proceed to our second birds of prey, a diurnal birds of prey. So diurnal meaning they do their hunting at daytime or they are more active during the day. With that, we need a lure. So the lure serves as a real food or a real prey. Now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter.
Whoa!
Great. So Philippine hawk eagle is under the request of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. And we have here Mr. Ryan. He has a real food or a real prey. An exchange of the lure because hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you can see, Mr. Ryan is wearing thick gloves for the protection of the sharp and large talons of our birds. A round of applause for our Philippine hockey eagle named Hunter. So from here now, let's move on to nocturnal. Nocturnal meaning they do their hunting at night time or they are more active during at night. And ladies and gentlemen, just relax and be silent because we have here the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine eagle owl named Tattoo. So Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl in the Philippines and they have a large and beautiful eyes and their eyes are built in total darkness. And they can see 10 times better than the human eye. And when they fly silently due to its pretty structures that reduces turbulence. And also here in the Philippines, they are locally known as Pukaw or Kuwato. And I guess it's time for it to go back home. Everybody? 1, 2, and there's one more. 1. Alright, now round of applause for our Philippine eagle owl named Tattoo. So from the medium size of bird, let's move on to one of the largest birds in the show. And with that, I need your cooperation. Please sit down. No one will stand and don't try to reach out to our bird. Just for our own safety and for the safety of our bird. Because our bird, we're flying closer to you. And we have here our bird trainer, Mr. Chris. Are you ready, sir? Alright, please sit down, everyone. Are you ready, sir? Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, keep your hands up high to our white-bellied seagull named Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle, also called as the king of the sea, they have a white plumage from their head down to its underparts, and their back and wings are dark gray in color. And they are also monogamous type of bird, that means they only have one partner for a lifetime. And you can have a nice photograph because in a few seconds they will fly you on stage. So please sit down, everyone. Excuse me, in the front, please sit down. So are you ready to take off your flight, buddy? Good. A round of applause for white-bellied seagull named Marina. And to see at this moment, we have here flying glories all the way from Australia. So we have 3 types of lorries, the dusky lorries, the chattering lorries, and the rainbow lorries. And to make it more memorable, we have here the stimulant glove. Peace. Prosperity and harmony of a group of pigeons. And also our skeleton is all the way from South America. So before we totally end our show, let me introduce you to the people who had the success of the show. Mr. Ryan, the Philippine Marina, our board assistant trainer, Mr. Chris, Mr. Irvin, Mr. Ronnie, Mr. James, Ms. Gina, Ms. Mitchell, Ms. Debbie, and our Simon, Mr. Ricky. And last but not the least, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aidan. All the way from Cebu, together with our group at Tumato named God. And usually I am Andrew, and I hope you enjoy